Are you tired of trading meme coins just to get dumped on? Well, this Phantom wallet has $6.4 million and it all came from launching instead. No hype, no luck, just a repeatable system that works. I am going to break it all down right now. Now, if you guys did not know, I was a full-time meme coin trader and I was actually really good at it. But I've lost more money on meme coins than I'd ever admit. That's because every single trade felt like a win until I got fucking rugged on a coin. Just like this chart right here. I'd buy in and then after a couple seconds, boom, I lost all my money. Now, the truth is that the smart ones are not buying the hype, they're actually creating it. Because by creating your own coins, you are controlling everything. You own the supply, you set the timing, and you drive the entire narrative. You've got completely nothing to lose because you are the dev behind the coin. You are creating meme coins for completely free, and then you dump it, and then you make some bread. And that's exactly why I went from trading to deving, because now I am my own boss. I can turn $0 into 1k and just repeat this method over and over again. You guys need to keep watching because I will be doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to launch your very first meme coin on the blockchain and then make some money. Make sure to keep watching. And by the way, bro, this entire video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so obviously do your own research. It's all fake. Now, most people, when they want to launch their very first meme coin on the blockchain, they go to Pump.fun. That's the usual choice. But let me break the news to you. Pump.fun's way too crowded now. Thousands of coins go live every minute, and most of them don't even graduate on the Radium Dex. That's just fucking shit. Because if you guys did not know, your coin has to reach a $85,000 market cap for it to bond on the Radium Dex, and that just takes too long or too much luck. And that's exactly why I switched completely to create token.Learn, because on this website, bro, it's completely different. Here, your token launches directly onto the Radium Dex, which means it will be graduated instantly and it will be tradable the second it's live. You get full control over the liquidity, the price, and you get more visibility. You do not need to wait and there's no middleman. It's simply more profitable, and that's exactly why a bunch of people are coming here to launch their first meme coin. Now here's the play. I'm going to show you two different ways to make a meme coin, and it's up to you to choose. The first way is to obviously create a coin from scratch. So I would highly recommend to go on X and look for a viral narrative. It could be literally anything, just something funny, something viral. Let me see if I could find a quick example. I know some people go on Google and type in news and then they look for articles to make coins on. That's one of the possibilities. I'd like to go for Elon Musk, Trump, CZ tweets. There's a bunch of different ways to make a meme coin. There's a bunch of different ways to find narratives, but anyways, once you have a good narrative, come back to create token.Learn, invent a name, create a symbol, take a screenshot of anything and just put it right here, and then after that, after these steps, you are done. Your custom coin is created. But the second method, bro, is my personal favorite one and the most profitable by far. You guys will see, and that's by copying trending coins that are already working. Now, all these coins already have hype from Pump.fun, so when you copy and launch them instantly to Radium, you get instant buyers and faster profits from the start. Copying coins is a cheat code. You guys will see why, because I will do a quick example. Okay, enough waiting, enough yapping. Let's actually launch this token right now so you can see how fast this really happens. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. Then click on this button right here, which will refresh all the coins to have all the new fucking tokens. And let's look for a coin to copy. Honestly, bro, in general, it could be literally anything. If it doesn't work, you can just go to the next one. I'm going to go with the X402 IQ coin. Why? It has a last buy 4 seconds ago, which is kinda decent, and a $30,000 market cap. Click on create coin. After that, ignore the warning from Phantom, click proceed anyways, confirm, then I understand, then confirm, and then the coin should be copied in a couple seconds. Let's see what happens, bro. Boom. And first of all, we're going to go on SoScan to see if it's really on the blockchain. Yes, sir, bro, it's on the blockchain. It's all legit. Everything is working fine. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our meme coin. This is where the real magic happens. We're adding liquidity so your coin goes instantly live on the Radium and buyers can start trading it right away. Now, first of all, it's for the token A. Just tap the 90% button. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into your pool. Right under for the amount token B, this is your first move into your own coin. Basically, your first buy. You are not losing any SOL here. It's just locked into the pool to fuel your market. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and when you pull out the liquidity later, that same SOL will come right back inside your Phantom wallet. That's exactly why we have nothing to lose. I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL. Why? Because just a bit more to be safe, okay? And then click on create pool. Once again, you will get it back later, and then click on confirm. When that is done, click on the refresh button right below. Scroll down and boom, the IQ coin is on live. Our profits are at $0. You have the pool ID right here. And the thing that's cool is that if you click on the refresh button, you can see your profits live in action go up, and now we're up a whole SOL. That's really fucking insane because people are now buying our coin and they're interested in our fucking meme coin. Click on view on Photon to see the chart, or you can copy paste here and go on Axiom. Let me go on full screen for a better view of the fucking token. Now everything looks good. Oh my god, bro! What the fuck? We just got a fucking huge buy! Let's fucking dump this coin. Come on. Oh my god, come on, I'm going to dump it, bro. Fuck it, come on. Let's go. Oh my god, I am so hyped, bro. I love doing this shit, bro. Come on, 1.5k market cap. Things are looking good. We're already up a couple $100, around 400, 500 if I had to guess right. Come on, 1k liquidity. Come on, pump, bro. I need more bread. Now guys, bro, this is why I love deving meme coins / creating meme coins, because you are basically creating for fucking $0 and you are getting all these organic fucking customers. Let's go. Come on, bro. The Radium DEX, bro, combined with create token.Io is an actual cheat code. Boom, bro. Boom, $110 right there. Right inside our fucking pockets. That's what I love, bro. Come on. Pump, $50. Let's fucking go. $50. Okay, $40. Okay, you know what? I'm going to give this coin 2 minutes and I am going to be right back after 2 seconds because I will do a time lapse. Okay, I am back and we are at a 3.5k market cap, 1.6k liquidity. I think right now is a good time to cash out our profits because it has been like around 2 minutes and you know I'm bored. I want to make some money right now for you guys. So come back to create tokens.io real quick. Then click on the refresh button to check your profits. And as you guys can see, we are now up $1.52,000 with a 4k market cap. Now life looks good, okay? And now it's time to make some money. So click on the red button, which is a minus button. Do 100% if you want to remove all the money. If you want to do half, that's up to you. Personally, I'm going to do the full amount. Click on the remove money button. Then, oh my god. As you guys can see, I'm going to receive around 9.5, 9.3 SOL. Click on confirm. And bang! That's exactly how you make some quick bread, bro. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, because some of you guys don't believe me, boom, $1.55,000 in my Phantom wallet. And it's real. And by the way, bro, even though Solana just fucking tanked, the market tanked, even Bitcoin tanked, we are still making money. The method still works. So bro, enjoy and good luck on your first launch.